Hey there, Jake. Today's the day we unravel the mystery of 2 and 4.
Oh joy, because nothing says fun like learning grammar.
You got it. First up, 2. Think of it as the GPS of English. It tells you where things are headed.
Like when I say, I'm going to the funny farm if I study for 1 more minute.
Precisely. Now, on to 4. It's like the sugar in your coffee, adding sweetness to the purpose of an action.
So, when I say, I'm making pancakes for breakfast, I'm basically adding sweetness to my morning.
You on fire, Jake. And speaking of fire, imagine you're a firefighter and I say, I've got a fire extinguisher for you.
Thanks, but I hope you're not planning to set me on fire just to test it out.
Hey, no promises. But let's keep the flames of knowledge burning. Picture this, I'm buying a gift for you.
Oh boy, what is it? A pet rock?
Close, but I thought a pet potato would be more your speed.
Ha, very funny. But seriously, what's the gift?
It's a secret, Jake. Let's just say it's something to remind you of me every time you use it.
Oh great, is it a talking Sarah doll that corrects my grammar?
Even better, it's a grammar book. Now you can correct yourself.
Gee, thanks. I'll treasure it forever.
All right, let's wrap this up before we go off on another tangent. 2 is like directions, and 4 is like adding purpose. Got it?
Loud and clear, Sarah. Thanks for the crash course in grammar and sarcasm.
Anytime, Jake. Now, let's go conquer the English language like the grammar superheroes we are.
Up, and away.